The overall goal of this procedure is to utilize the Antigen Capsid-Incorporation strategy for the development of adenovirus serotype 5-vectored vaccine approaches using a recombinant divalent adenoviral vector as a proof of principle. By using the Antigen Capsid-Incorporation strategy, multiple cloning steps are used to construct the modified plasmid Ad5-RI-KWAS-HVR5-His. Next, the divalent adenoviral vector R1K-HVR5-His is rescued, propagated, and purified. Then, the viral titers and the antigenic display of incorporated antigens on the viral capsid are characterized. Finally, the potential of the divalent adenoviral vector to circumvent neutralization by Ad5-positive sera is evaluated. By using the Antigen Capsid-Incorporation strategy, multiple cloning steps are used to construct the modified plasmid Ad5-R1-KWAS-HVR5-His.
Today we will be demonstrating the Antigen Capsid-Incorporation strategy. This strategy is beneficial as compared to other strategies such as the transgene expression method because it not only displays the antigen of interest on the adenovirus capsid as a protein, but it allows a robust humoral response against that antigen.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical, as the steps regarding the generation of the capsid-modified adenovirus is difficult to learn because